Hello, today we will guide you through how to download XM Trading on laptop. To begin, open your web browser on your laptop and go to the XM website. This is the starting point for accessing your account area and finding the trading platform download options. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the main member area or dashboard where the navigation menu is visible. If the site takes a moment to load, just wait until everything appears clearly before moving on. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on More. This section usually contains additional account and platform-related options that are not shown in the main menu at first glance. Expanding this area helps you access the full list of available tools and settings. Take your time here and make sure the menu fully opens so you can clearly see the options underneath it. After that, scroll down through the expanded menu and look for the Platforms section. This is where XM provides access to its trading software and related downloads. Depending on the layout on your screen, you may need to scroll a little further to find it. So move slowly and watch the labels carefully. If the page looks slightly different on your device, that is normal, but the platform area should still be available in the menu. Once you find the platform section, click on the platform you want to download. After selecting it, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the download. The website will usually guide you through the next part, which may include choosing a version for your laptop, confirming the file download, and opening the installer once it finishes downloading. Be sure to read each prompt carefully so you choose the correct option for your device. As the installation begins, continue following the instructions shown on your screen until the setup is complete. In most cases, this process is straightforward, but it is always a good idea to avoid closing your browser or installer window until everything has finished. If your laptop asks for permission to install the program, simply review the prompt and continue if it matches the XM platform you selected. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, you should be ready to open the platform on your laptop and move forward from there. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you download XM Trading successfully.